To effectively cash out your accumulated rewards on Temu, it's crucial to follow these steps outlined in the comprehensive guide. Ensuring you don't overlook any critical details is essential, so watch the entire video for a seamless experience. Begin by launching the Temu app and navigating to the homepage. Once there, tap on the View button located at the bottom of the screen to access your personal page. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Within this section, select the specific offer you've completed, which has contributed to your earnings. For instance, if you've finished a cash reward offer, click on it to proceed. On the subsequent page, you'll encounter a button labeled Claim Now once you've fulfilled all requirements. Upon clicking Claim Now, you'll be directed to a page displaying the amount you've earned and the option to cash out to PayPal. If you've met all referral requirements, a button labeled Cash Out will be visible. Tap on this button to initiate the cash out process. It's crucial to ensure you've successfully referred enough individuals to meet the eligibility criteria for cashing out. Failure to do so may result in being unable to transfer your earnings to your PayPal account.